Local news for Monday the 12th of March. A multi-agency fisheries compliance operation along the North Island's east coast has uncovered a range of offending, including non-reporting of commercial crayfish. More than 150 commercial and recreational vessels were inspected during the patrol and approximately 300 people spoken to, including divers. MPI Chief Compliance Officer for Hawke's Bay Wairarapa Brent Smith says we detected a small number of alleged offences, including one incident of unreported crayfish by a commercial vessel in the Coromandel and undersized finfish on an amateur fishing charter vessel. La Pancetta, the popular Greytown restaurant, has rebranded to become the Prodigal Daughter with the addition of a deli shop so its owner Rachel Priestley can further share her love of Italy's, artisan food products in Wairarapa. The new deli shop sells award-winning spicy Sicilian sausages, along with Italian delicacies and Wairarapa artisan products, including olive oil and cheese. And in sport, the Giants' Prim 2 softball side are through to the finals after beating Cardinals on Saturday at South Park, winning the match 13-4.